I was like, what will people think about me and all of that? Nothing. I was like, I am going to. And she kept doing it. She kept doing it. मैं देखी जा रही हूँ, देखी जा
वहाँ पे तो सब लड़कियों को मैंने बता दिया था कि मेरा कनेक्शन है. I was not building no connection with anybody, this that. और मैं देख रही हूँ डोम के अंदर वो क्या क्या बोल रहा है, निहारिका के साथ कैसे बैठा हुआ है, क्या कर रहा है. I'm like, what the hell?
अरे ये कैसे नहीं दिखा संजय?
I was blind, yes. I was blindly believing and everything, but I genuinely didn't feel it was fake. For the game, he looked into my eyes and he used to speak. Okay, it could be fake for a day, 2, 3, not 2 months.
वहाँ पे उसने हमारे एक private conversation को as a weapon use किया to finish things off.
Are you serious?
She used to never say anything about him. वो इतनी अंधी थी कि she never said anything that would like demean him or would make him look like a bad person.
So many incidents like
This
that.
Gullu is too scared of Kyra. He actually wanted to play with Anisha.
I agree.
Justify.
Acting serious.
Stop it! Shut up! Shut up!
Shut up. You shut up.
Shut the fuck up.
You shut up.
Zip it.
You zip it.
चुप करो.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hi.
So, what's going to happen today?
I think we're gonna be
BYOG it is, and we all know what BYOG is all about.
a lot of excitement.
T.
So, what's the tea that we can expect?
There's gonna be a lot of tea.
And actual tea is gonna get spilled.
Yep.
We can guarantee you that.
Yeah.
To be honest. Welcome to another banging episode of MTV BYOG Season 2 Splitsvilla edition with me, Kashish Kapoor. जहां गॉसिप खुद चल के हमारे सामने आती है, why? To fact check. And you know what? Lately I've realized that my life is a lot like this BYOG couch. The girls are doing great. The boys could be doing better. Anyways guys, I've been hanging out so much with the girls lately, willingly or not, that I've decided क्यों ना आज 2 girl besties को ही बुला लिया जाए. Splitsvilla में जितने लोग कपड़े नहीं बदलते उतनी जल्दी अपने बातें बदलते हैं. But these 2 ladies, they have stood the test of time. And they are too powerful right now. I mean, power भी है, connection भी है, friendship भी है. अब अगर audience का प्यार और fan favorite भी हो जाते तो ज़्यादा नहीं हो जाता? You cannot have it all, darling. Or can you? Unless you're me. Anyways, from getting tea spilled on their faces to actually coming here to spill more tea. Let's have some fun. So welcome to BYOG Saundarya and Sadaf, and tell me, what's the cost today?
First of all, thank you so much for inviting us.
Of course.
And go ahead with the gossip.
I have nothing like always. Please.
चलो before we get into it, before we play pass the parcel already, मैं ही शुरू करती हूँ. तो आप दोनों का relation as friends, इसको काफ़ी acclaim किया गया in the villa. Even hosts actually praised you over it, especially जब आपका Tea-gate incident हुआ, which we will get into in details. Even then the hosts actually did compliment you for standing up with your friends. So what do you have to say about your equation जो आ रहा है?
I think I have always been like that for my friends. वो show में जो भी मेरा side दिखा है, it has always been me taking a stand for my friends. चाहे अगर मेरे पे फेंकती तो शायद मैं कुछ बोलती भी नहीं. जो भी उसका
Definitely
reaction
not
आया
true,
था.
but okay.
No, for real. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. मेरे पे फेंका तो कोई बात नहीं, but somebody that I am associated with, like who I call my best friend or my family, don't mess with them.
But you know, a lot of people are even saying that you should have gone for an idol match. आप दोनों का बन जाता.
That's
so
true.
where did that start from?
Actually, जो हमारा bond था show में, more than the guys, I guess we were actually close to each other.
Okay.
मतलब boys के साथ भी हम associated थे.
पर उनसे आप associated थे.
Yeah, associated थे. तो वो real feeling, वो
Right.
closeness कुछ हो जाता तो, for example मेरे मम्मी ने बोला था कैमरे के सामने रो मत. तो all I was doing is like making sure that हम लोग साथ में washroom में रो रहे थे.
There were
You know,
so many times.
Yeah, so many
They
times.
go to the
because-
washroom together to wipe each other's tears. Tears.
She knows everything and हाँ ऐसे चालू हो गया but मुझे खुद देख के शॉक हो रहा था कि the way she stood for me when
Yeah.
the situation happened. Apart from that also how she was with me in the villa. And the way, I guess episode आते ही we were like all over the internet, like Sadaf Sandy, Sadaf Sandy, Sadaf Sandy. Everyone started speaking about Sadaf Sandy. Till obviously we'll go ahead with the format.
Yes.
And I was shocked कि अभी बाहर भी हम लोग साथ में हैं.
Right.
शो में भी साथ में थे. The way they showed us,
Yeah.
that was real. That was so real.
Is why
The
it's
feeling
loved by
was so
people, I
real.
think, so
Yeah.
much. और
That-
होस्ट की साइड से भी इतना प्रेज इसके लिए मिला बिकॉज दे हैव सीन द रियल साइड. वो जो जितना कैमरे पे दिखाए उतना ही दिखाए, बट आई थिंक बिहाइंड द कैमराज आल्सो
Right.
दे हैव सीन अस.
Right, that
So,
makes sense.
Yeah.
अभी चलो सदफ, इतनी तारीफें हो गई आपकी. मुद्दे पे आते हैं.
मैं आती हूँ.
There's been a lot of chatter about you, Villa ke contestant se bhi and on the internet also, and I think many a times, even I have noticed it. Maybe as not as a host, of course. As a host, I'm the most neutral person. As a contestant, I mean not as an audience. कि कई बार in conversations it so happens that you try to overpower the other person. आप उनको बोलने ही नहीं देते हो. जैसे कि अगर आपने कोई एक शब्द पकड़ लिया है, for example कि shut up. Yeah, so you'll just keep on going on the same word. Like वो चाबी नहीं भरते आप किसी बच्चे पे, वो बजता रहता है. So you just go on that one tangent. What is that about?
तुम्हें बोलने का किसी ने हक नहीं दिया. मुझसे मत बोलो एटलीस्ट.
आपसे परमिशन लेके बात करूं मैं. आपसे परमिशन लेके बात करूं मैं. उसको तो चुप करा के रखियो, मुझे मत चुप कराना. Shut up. उसे चुप करा के रखा है ना. मुझे क्यों चुप करा रही है? Am I a connection? Why the f*** should I listen to you?
चुप. Himanshu is here because of you.
आप पे भी आएंगे सैंडी, आप पे भी आएंगे.
आप जो बचते रहेंगे बस इसके बारे में क्या बोलना है आपको? Okay, I want to listen to this. I really am.
I mean ठीक है, जिसकी हिम्मत है बोलने की मेरे शद्दफा बोलने के बाद भी तो वो बोलेगा. जिसकी नहीं है वो चुप करेगा. खत्म बात. और उसके अलावा भी like if they're not making sense, most of the time people were literally lying. So that would get on my nerves. Like मैं तुमको क्यों बोलने दूँ अगर मुझे पता है कि तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो या बेफालतू की बातें ऐसे कर रहे हो which does not make sense or does not connect the dots in our conversation.
Okay, we'll get into more details, of course. एक एक करके. So now, Sandy, first of all, before I get into the questions, let's talk about the actual incident, the tea gate, as I would like to call it, because I don't know, maybe it is entertainment for some people, maybe I have no words to say. It's not entertainment for me. I don't think it's entertaining. I don't think one should do it, and I cannot justify it. Right. When that happened to you, I could see that you were taken aback because nobody was literally expecting it, right? You were having a very normal conversation. आप कुछ उल्टा बोल भी नहीं रहे थे कि you are inviting कि आ बेल मुझे मार. All of a sudden, cut to we see somebody just throws something on your face and you're taken aback, and what happens. What was going in your head the moment it happened? Did you go blank? Were you filled with rage? What happened?
हम लोग जब झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, पता है कौन डिजर्विंग है अभी. क्या क्यों कर रही है ये सब?
ये मेरी मर्जी, मेरा मुंह है.
Exactly,
तू मुझे
तू-
बोले कब बोलना है,
तुम्हारे
तू
बारे
मुझे
में
बोले कब बात करना
अभी
है.
प्रॉब्लम किसको है? तूने बोला
ढंग से बात कर रही हो
मैं
ना?
नाइव होंगी तो मुझे शो से निकाल देंगे, ये तेरी चीज है.
ढंग से बात कर रही
तूने
हो ना?
बोला मैं नाइव होंगी तो
ये क्या कर दिया ये?
So initially, let's say how it started. तो basically she was not seen. कोई देख नहीं रहा था उसको and she pre-planned it and everything. तो
Yeah.
उसके पहले भी मैं वो बात करने के लिए कोशिश कर रही थी. Then I was just denying कि मुझे नहीं बात करनी है. I know for a fact she doesn't drink tea. She drinks coffee. And why is she holding a cup of tea? That was
Yeah.
my first thought because it
Yeah.
was so weird the way she came
Yeah,
with.
she came, yeah.
She came with and all
And she
of
was like,
that.
अकेले में बात करनी है, अकेले में बात
हाँ.
करनी है, इधर आओ.
और मेरे को तो ऐसे I had no idea that she would like do something like that. And then I was like, why? You are a nice person, Suzanne. You're a nice person. Like, you don't have to be somebody else on the show just to stay on the show. So that was the conversation we were having. It got heated up, and she just threw it on me, and I haven't even seen somebody doing like that in real life. वो 5 सेकंड में जब मैंने वो you know what? I'm not saying the tea was not cold. It was not hot enough. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then when I just wiped my face, I was like, what will people think about me and all of that? Nothing. I was like, I am going to. Let's see what will happen next. And
Right.
she was alive and no remorse. Zero remorse.
But didn't she like उसने उसी रात के डोम में आपसे apologize नहीं किया था?
That's
उसके
because,
अगले दिन.
that is especially because Himanshu was about to vote her out.
Okay.
Himanshu wrote Suzanne's name to vote her out. That's when she's like, Sandy, सुनो.
और वो सॉरी भी तब आया है जब इनिशियली तो शी वाज लाफिंग तभी सनी
Not even
was like
initially.
She was like,
Don't
She
get
was
the
laughing
she
the
was like
whole
so
time.
happy about what she
Proud.
did.
Yes.
She was so proud. तभी तो she was like Sunny ma'am was like
For
don't
example,
make that
like
face,
you're
you know,
just
it's not funny.
let me get it in this way. Like I'm talking to you.
Right.
I'm just looking at you. Like I'm Suzanne and you're Sandy. You just look at me in a different way. The whole time this is happening in the dome.
you know, actually that's a very typical Suzanne experience. This this thing. I'm like, yeah.
And she kept doing it. She kept doing it. मैं देखी जा रही हूँ, देखी जा
There's a whole episode about this one coming up.
true.
There
She
is
does
so
that.
much, yes. And she kept doing it. उस डोम को होते हुए 2 दिन भी नहीं हुए हैं.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm pretty famous for that though.
Yeah.
Doing Suzanne's acting.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
That was the thing. वो हर बार faces बनाती है, ये बनाती है. When you see the person doesn't have remorse, no, it hurts.
that irritates.
Yes.
लगता है काफ़ी फिल्में देखती हैं आप, राइट? फिल्मों में ये
It's
सब
not
होता है.
funny. Hello, it's not funny. Stop smiling. You've been smiling over there this entire time. Every so often, a little smile comes on your face. That is utterly disgusting.
मुझे ऐसे normal tone में बात करके I don't have the habit. So suppose like if she's saying like तुम्हें छोड़ूंगी नहीं तो बाहर मिल मुझे, ऐसे बोलती है वो, like in a very subtle tone, and that like hits us and I was like, तू shut your mouth, like shut up. I saw myself and I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah.
But I've seen myself like that outside the villa as well.
Okay.
Like my rage is like that. For somebody who makes faces like that and has zero remorse, like. Yeah.
Okay.
She didn't forgive.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what Suzanne did, definitely that was very irksome, without a doubt. Anybody would get extremely agitated. But what is something that the audience actually think? It somewhere looked like, okay, now that this incident has happened, you were just leveraging it for your benefit.
I don't think so, and it's absolutely false because हमें सुजैन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. We were doing so well on the show. हमें पता है how we are behaving, how we are performing. So सुजैन से leverage लेना, I don't think so. I even had a single thought about it कि सुजैन से हम लोग footage लेंगे. Like anybody but सुजैन. जिसको perform करना नहीं आता, जिसको बात करने की तमीज़ नहीं है, उससे I don't think so. I would ever take any kind of leverages. That is what I think because I had nothing to do with Suzanne. जब तक उसने हमें पोक किया है, हमने उसको वापस दिया है.
Right.
And आगे जाके आप देख रहे हो सुजैन और मेरा स्टोरी नहीं है. You know why? Because she became my best friend on the show.
Again.
She did?
Yes.
Again, yeah.
We were friends before
we were
that
hugging,
incident.
also.
I'm not even kidding. We were cuddling. Yes. Ask her. She's like, mat kar, bro. She was saying this the whole time after the tea incident, after that and everything.
I would actually like to come back to this very point. जो अगले दिन का डोम हुआ था, not the अगले दिन, but the next dome, जहाँ पे both of you lost your cool. I want to talk to you first. I'm sure even you, when you look at that episode and when you see that one, I'm not talking about whether your anger is justified or not. But this one action, I'm sure even you would not have liked seeing you like that because even I was shocked as an audience, why is this girl behaving like that of all people? Like if somebody, I don't want to name names, but if some other person has done it, I would have been like, I know why she's doing it. But it was very out of character for you to do that.
भाई मैं इतने अच्छे से रह रही हूँ सबसे डोंट ओपन योर माउथ तुम क्यों टेंशन ले रही हो फुल ऑफ योरसेल्फ बिकॉज़ शी इज माय फ्रेंड
First of all, when she did that, I went to her and I asked her to apologize to her. She didn't do that. And she was like, ठीक है, अगर
That's
किसी को
horrible.
sorry बोलना है और वो डोम में भी आके जैसे उसने how she was stunning, how she was behaving. She was so proud of what she has done.
Yes.
Because she was like, this is gonna
Yeah.
go viral. This is
on
gonna go
Instagram,
crazy.
yeah.
I'm
ये
gonna
मेरा
get
cover
famous.
रहेगा, ये मेरा Instagram
Yeah.
का cover photo रहेगा, उसका चेहरा, and it's still there on her Instagram.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes,
Yeah.
just check it. And there was the task that we did, right? Ship
Ship
हो
हो रहे.
Yeah.
उसमें हमने by mistake मैंने actually उसको cheer किया था.
Because we were enjoying so much
the
कि
task
हमने
and
सबको
automatically
cheer
वो
करना शुरू
हाँ.
कर दिया. उसको भी अगले दिन उसने ऐसे किया कि they were bullying me again.
they were
Like,
mocking at me, demean कर रहे थे मुझे. No, we genuinely supported her. All our fan pages got threatened.
Yeah.
yeah.
Threatened for even like
Yes.
saying Sandy and
Yeah.
stuff. I'm thinking this is some next level.
Yes, I am gonna come to that. I am gonna come to that. That the entire comment thingy that has happened. But
Yeah.
before that, when this entire thing happened, the Villa merger happened, the entire Mohit incident happened, which again, definitely you were right in your scenario because you did not make any irrational demands. When Anushka came back and वो secret challenge था, of course you did not know कि secret challenge है.
Yeah.
And then everything went on the way it did. Did you think that you overreacted when it came to dealing with Anushka, or given the fact that you did not know it was a secret challenge, so you reacted fairly? What do you think?
Come on, right now! Right now! Out! You can't give hand on me, Sada. You are trying to talk after doing so much shit to me. Don't give me hand. I will. जब से आई हो, what are you trying to do?
I'm really sorry.
I don't need your apology.
मेरे साइड से मुझे नहीं लगता मेरा जो रिएक्शन था गलत था.
मुझे
because
भी नहीं लगा.
मैं ट्रायंगल के बीच में
Yes.
जबरदस्ती फंस
Again.
रही हूँ. The first night when Anushka entered, she was with me. She asked for my slippers. मैं रूम से जाके अपना स्लीपर उसको दिया. She's like, everybody's like told us about her. वैसे उसके बारे में कुछ अच्छा सुना ही नहीं था हम लोगों ने. So when she entered, she seemed very okay. And then she was like, the first thing she spoke to me about was like, I love this man. रात में ही आके. And I felt so bad. मुझे इतना बुरा लगा कि because I was also missing my connection. तो मुझे लगा कि अगर ये इतना मैं obviously इतना sad थी, मुझे I could feel her. मैंने कहा if she really loves him, तो तभी मैं जब मोहित मेरे पास आया, I was like, listen, you go speak to her first.
Yeah, we saw that.
Don't do that. The night जब वो कमरे में आके मुझसे बात कर रही होती है.
Right, right.
That time उससे पहले हम बाहर पूल एरिया में बैठे हुए.
Okay.
So she's like, I want to speak to you. ये है वो है. So as a girl, as a woman, I was like, okay, I'm gonna make her understand कि कुछ love connection, कुछ feelings वाला कुछ नहीं है. ये है वो है. I was so soft with her.
Yeah, you were initially.
So she
yes.
was like, अंदर चले थोड़ा cozy लगेगा. I'm like, cozy?
Okay.
She's like, yeah, let's go inside. I'm like, यहाँ कोई नहीं है, यही बात कर लेते हैं. She said, नहीं मुझे थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है, let's go inside.
And you know she wouldn't come alone. She always has like 3-4 people backed up. You know what I mean.
Yeah, kind of I do. Why do I pretend like I don't? Yeah, I do. Okay.
So we enter the room.
Yeah.
She's sleeping.
Anisha.
अनिशा और ये सो
Yeah,
रहे हैं.
I saw.
मैं
हाँ.
1 घंटे से उसको समझा रही हूँ ये है वो
So
है,
that
प्यार
was
से
not
बात
like a
कर रही हूँ.
2-minute thing. जो
नहीं,
cameras are.
वो 1 घंटे से that's why they were frustrated.
हम लोग
चार
टास्क
बार उठ के
करके
बोल रहा है.
डोम करके उसका
is
नाटक
frustrating.
डोम करके मैं बोल रही हूँ तू मुझे ड्रेन कर रही है यार ऐसे
It is
मत कर.
frustrating, yeah.
मुझे तुम लोगों के साथ ना झगड़ा करना.
झगड़ा करना है.
And
मैं बोल
that
रही है.
face, that eyebrow on, do it.
I look too pretty right now.
That is nice.
Dig. Nice one.
तब मेरी I lost it.
I'm asking you respectfully, leave the room right now. You're a good person, your energy is bad. Get out right now! You're training me, Anushka. Please take whatever you want. Oh no!
Throwing my clothes in the pool was major disrespect. मुझे
Well, it
पता था
was.
कि वो लेकर आएगी
It
कमरे
was.
में, चिढ़ाएगी, मैं बोलूँगी ये ले 4 कपड़े तेरे मेरे पास भी है तुम्हारे ऐसे करके. But I didn't know she was going to throw it in the
That
pool.
level of it, yeah.
So when she did that, I lost it. Like कुछ भी कर लो, मजाक कर लो, prank कर लो, कुछ भी disrespect I cannot tolerate.
So अभी हमने बहुत ज़्यादा कलेश की बात कर ली. Now guys, I have guys something even better. आप लोगों को तोड़ना फोड़ना बहुत पसंद है. Hence proved हो ही गया है. तो चलो अभी officially भी हम ये चीज़ कर ही लेते हैं.
Wow.
This segment, it's pretty, right? So pretty in pink. Now guys, this segment is called Hammer the Rumor. Here's the hammer. मैं अब आप लोगों को देने वाली हूँ कुछ rumors and you have to hammer it. It could be about you, it could be about somebody else. You have to say I agree or I disagree and quickly in a line or two justify. Done? Ready?
Got it.
Make it quick and witty. Rumor suggests that Digvijay and a girl from this very couch have a thing going on. And guys, that girl is not Mia.
Is it?
No, Sandy, go on.
I agree.
Yeah, why?
Will I be in trouble?
No. What?
I mean, like, they've been like, I know you will ring the bell now.
I won't. Go on.
No, I mean, they look cute together. I want it to be agree. They look nice together, and I like to see them on, like, this chemistry is nice.
Okay.
I mean, I've not seen them, like, personally, but the chemistry is nice.
Have fun, girl. Have fun.
We are like just very, very, very good friends. We live in the same building. Don't stop! We live in the same building. We
Next
have a lot of
one.
mutuals also. So can I just clarify that? I want to do this.
No,
I just said they
nothing
look
at
good
all,
together.
Sadaf. Nothing is very clarified.
I said I disagree. So
And we muted you. We muted
But
you.
that's not fair.
हमको अपना TRP चाहिए.
I just told that you guys look good together. Why not?
Fair enough.
Yeah, we
Next
look good
is
together.
Yeah.
Gullu is too scared of Kyra. He actually wanted to play with Anisha.
I agree.
Justify.
I feel like he thought that, like, maybe he will be.
उसने actually में mention किया था that he likes girls who are like more
Docile.
girly, docile, quiet.
who are not
like
bold is what
I
he
know.
mentioned.
Yeah,
I know.
That's a lie, anyways. But I guess he was more inclined towards Anisha, and he thought like he would perform well with Kyra. It's not like he didn't like Kyra. He liked Kyra. He liked Anisha. He liked
But Anisha was the
Asmita.
type थी.
He liked so many people on the show. All girls are his type.
I know.
Gulu is a charmer.
Hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
love that guy.
I to love
भाई
Gulu.
तू charmer है?
I'll tell you something. By the end of the season, you will definitely change your perspective.
I already have a perspective about him. मैं show से थोड़ी judge करूँगी, but
I think you guys are friends, right?
Yeah.
They're friends.
Oh my god.
He's a
He's
wonder.
such a
I mean, I think हम लोग को वो fun मिला है उसकी वजह से.
मतलब हम थोड़ा सा भी हंसे शो में
उसकी वजह से
हंसे
बस ज़्यादा उसको अभी तुम लोग flatter नहीं कर सकते हो.
ये कट कर दो
वैसे भी हो गया. चंटी है वो, उस पर खत्म करते हैं.
चंटी है वो
हाँ.
बट फनी है.
Funny है, बहुत funny है.
Next comment is, Sadaf's aggression was always directed towards the girls in the villa and not the guys, perhaps because she wanted to keep her options open.
I disagree.
I disagree. Boys were more, I think, ज़्यादा थोड़े से तमीज़ वाले थे और उनको पता था कि लड़कियों से कैसी बात करनी और कितनी बात करनी. Especially मैं I'll talk about myself.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने जैसे मेरे से बात किया तमीज़ से I've spoken with a lot of respect with them. जिन्होंने बदतमीज़ी की उनसे बदतमीज़ी की है मैंने सबको.
Okay. Mohit went back to Anushka for immunity.
Agree.
किधर है मोहित किधर है?
I don't think it even needs any justification.
Yes,
It's covered
yes,
this.
very obvious.
Okay. Himanshu and Diksha are faking breakup for publicity.
I agree.
We were actually thinking about
We
it.
just
We
spoke
just
about
spoke about it. कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है इससे क्या होगा? फिर हमने सोचा भी कि हो भी सकता है, फिर नहीं भी हो सकता है. So
I
we
saw
didn't
him
come to a
sad
conclusion.
in the holy party.
Sure.
He was sad. But then when the rumor came out, they just might have done it for the publicity because now they're not being seen as much as they were initially. So it could be
That's gonna
a
happen throughout.
PR stunt. हिमांशु बता दे बाद में आपसे पूछ लूंगी मैं.
अब देखो guys, सच क्या है क्या नहीं ये आपसे बेहतर कौन जानता है? To be honest मैं, but still.
I agree.
I love this episode. Hammer the rumor is absolutely done and we had fun.
Yay!
Thank you.
Can we ask like you take? We will ask one rumor about you.
Yeah.
Will it work?
Us.
If it was not, for example, the whole thing that happened about Paisa and everything and all of that, did you actually like him after that?
Who?
Diggy?
Like romantically?
Okay, like I mean, like, did you have like a thing?
No.
So disagree?
You forgot.
Yeah.
But
like,
did
we
you
never had a
actually
thing.
like have a thing for him? You expected you and him to be together?
Together? No.
Okay, disagree?
Never. No. We never had anything.
But
We just-
you were just sad that you guys
Yes.
were not talking.
Yes,
Yeah.
not talking or being together are two very different things. Had no feelings whatsoever. The only reason which I confessed in Big Boss also that I wanted us to speak, what was bothering me was that we weren't speaking. And I am a person, I feel wholeheartedly. If I feel like you are upset because of me, Sandy, I would want ki I talk to you. And if I can see that visibly that you are upset for me and you don't want to talk, that will bother me. I can hate you, but I would want you to talk to me once. So that was the feeling. That is why I wanted to have this discussion, to keep it out in the open, because I didn't want to have any bad blood. I didn't have any bad blood with him. I didn't like him, but I didn't dislike him. So I couldn't bear the fact that somebody is upset because of me or somebody is hurt of because of me. So I wanted to clear that. But yeah, no liking or whatever. ever.
It
Done?
was not to clear the air or something. It
Yeah,
was,
yeah, no, of
it
course.
was, I just wanted to know, like, even when we are in splits and something, there is something that is real, right? We have something for someone at some point. No?
We just, I mean, of course we have, like, that's obvious,
Yeah.
of course, for some person, definitely. But him and I never really had anything. We were just compatible for the game.
Maybe. It's up to us whether we want to agree or not.
ये 2 साल हो गए इस बात को agree disagree होके chapter बंद हो
बंद
चुका
हो गया।
है। Yes, long time back. So now guys, let's talk about some love. Sandy? So, your love saga, it started with Harshit, your Jaan, Janwar. Honestly, I don't know वो कब शुरू हुआ and वो कब खत्म हो गया.
I didn't want it to be with Anuj. He's a sweetheart. He was very nice. I just felt that मैं उनसे थोड़ी बड़ी हूँ. You know, I thought
Yeah,
he's like a
maturity.
Yeah, maturity wise. Yeah, and then I was like, I just switched, and I was like, Harshit was not seen for 2 days, and then I thought he looked physically fit and everything, and हमारी बात हुई. So I spoke to him. We connected on the day 1 and everything. But after performing the task, I'm like, oh my god, this is like 0.5x.
Oh my God, that
0.5x. Like, if I just run for 100 meters, then he is still there near the start.
That's
So,
slow.
yeah, that was like that. Probably he is physically fit, but there was
Yeah.
something wrong with the
Communication.
the maturity level in while playing the task. तो मैं एक बात बताऊं, उसके बाद
मुझे एक बात बतानी है.
उसके बाद हमें 2-4
Yeah, it
मिनट
takes a while. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Okay, he
Okay,
speaks
okay,
now.
so, it was like that. And then जो sandwich वाला task था, I did my best. I respected him enough. I guided him enough. What happened was, see, if you had a problem with me, you can just come and tell me कि
Of course.
you were left. तो he just was like, Sandy को अच्छा करती तो हम लोग जीत जाते. Some comment like that. That was the last communication with Harshit.
Oh.
And after that, swap. And I was thank God.
सबसे ज़्यादा तो ये
Blessing in disguise.
बहुत खुशी हुई कि because I know I'm a performer.
Right.
If you're not doing well in one performance,
much
I will
can
not
you do?
poke you.
Yeah, of course.
कि आपने गलत किया, आप ये करते तो अच्छा करता. I will not do that. I will okay. There is another
Yeah.
competition. अच्छा होगा उस task में. But I didn't expect from someone like Harshit.
To say something like
Yes.
that. Makes sense.
And that
makes a lot
probably
of sense.
triggered my EGO.
Okay. Now that we've discussed Harshit, let's go for the other edge. Not the one that you think. Let's go for Himanshu. So, you
Himanshu,
felt,
it was
Yeah.
clearly for game.
Just for the game.
Just for the game.
you felt that you guys could be an ideal match. Why?
Just for the game, I knew how his brain works. He has very good strategies. He knows how to manipulate and convince people. He can make sure that he can convince all. Literally, the host also he can convince. He had that kind of strategies and the way he speaks and everything. I was like, it will be helpful for me
But
to
he
go
was
ahead.
so very evidently in Diksha.
Yeah.
into Diksha.
Oh, I
पर
would...
दीक्षा तो चली गई थी. अगर और वो लोग आइडल मैच भी नहीं बने थे. तो उसके इसके अलावा तो आई थिंक कोई बचा भी नहीं था. So she was the only possible girl who
But
could become.
Diksha was in the other villa.
We didn't know.
We didn't know.
We
right.
didn't know.
Yeah, so you thought like, why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, makes sense. Then,
But not in that love angle, okay?
course.
It was just like, he was completely like gone.
Yeah.
When Diksha left from the villa, he was like this, like stuck. तो मैंने सोचा कि stuck तो हो जा भाई, हम देखते हैं कि ideal match होंगे कि नहीं होंगे. And yeah, that day again swap. I was like, yeah.
okay. Now that we've talked about Himanshu and Harshit, let's go for who's next?
Ron.
Ron.
Oh,
Yes.
Ron. My Janeman.
Yes, you played with Ron, but then eventually
Yeah.
you went with Diptanshu.
Yeah.
What was that about?
Like when I saw the Deep first, again, the same thing, I was like, I want this person. Like,
Why?
the way his brain works, it was very fascinating. The way he speaks, it was very fascinating. Day one, क्या ही होगा, मैं तो एक दिन में प्यार में गिर जाती हूँ. Ron on the other end, I was way impressed by the way he spoke about me in the dome.
Yeah.
Yeah, the way
was a
he
gentleman,
holds
like,
and
so
the way
soft.
his hand placements are like, they're so nice and
So then why didn't you stick with Ron?
There was something that was
दिल और दिमाग की लड़ाई चल रही.
I was thinking more of the game perspective. I was also thinking more of Deep flattered me. Deep just flattered me on the day one. You saw the task, penguin task, and then he's like, "Do you like it? Do you love it?" I was like, "Love it." बहुत सारे ऐसे चीजें उसने अच्छे चीजें
तो
मेरे
वो
पर
भी तो दिमाग से ही खेल रहा था ना।
अरे मुझे नहीं दिखा.
अरे ये कैसे नहीं दिखा संजय?
I was blind, yes. I was blindly believing and everything, but I genuinely didn't feel it was fake. For the game, he looked into my eyes and he used to speak. Okay, it could be fake for a day, 2, 3, not 2 months.
Yeah.
For 2 months, how could it be fake? Like, maybe I don't want to accept it. That's it.
Yeah.
Let's
That could
go.
also be. चलो, that's
Let's go.
good. She just made my job easy. मैं सोचती कि मैं कैसे इसको समझाऊं कि बेचारी आंखों से पर्दा हटाओ प्रिय,
And
but
it's
इसने
दिख
हटा
रहा है,
लिया.
वो एपिसोड में भी दिख रहा है. ऐसे बन के बैठी हूँ वहाँ पे मैं.
ऐसे देख रही है इसको.
But होता है.
होता है सैंडी.
But those words, वो याद है, वो लम्हे, वो बातें. कोई नहीं जानता.
Literally, I think इसीलिए वो moments हुए because nobody else knows about them. Otherwise तो क्या पता. But also I want to ask this question here. You mentioned these were the reasons that you chose Diptanshu over Ron because you were just more fascinated, and it makes sense because I think he made it more fun for you to even have a conversation, so you felt lighter.
Yeah.
Was this also the reason that he might be a better performer than Ron?
No.
No?
I knew that for a fact that Deep is physically not fit, like when compared to
Damn.
other guys.
Okay.
Because other guys were well prepared for the show.
Yeah.
They prepared like for their life, like they were ready. They were all muscled up and
Yeah.
ek dete to, you know, it was like that. But I knew that this guy would use his brains and do something because everything is not physical based
Yeah.
job,
Yeah,
right?
of course.
Most of the things were love jobs. So that's why I was like, let's talk, let's build so that at least हमारा physical performance नहीं हो रहा है, तो at least हमारा love का performance तो होगा. So then I was like, okay, if you don't want to talk, it's fine. Or I used to say like, if you don't want to talk also, it's fine. You can ask me like 3 questions a day. I'll ask you 3 questions a day.
Why would you be so adjusting?
I
Was it because of split coins?
for the split coins.
No, na?
No.
Yeah, tell me I'm wrong.
I was happy that he's rich enough to be.
Girls
you know,
are always happy their boys are rich enough.
I want my guy to be rich.
Yeah.
Because I'll also match his energy.
Duh.
Let him match my energy.
Yeah.
So he earned well. Everybody started speaking like, you know, he Anushka को उड़ा दिया उसने वो विला में, असली गेम दीप्तांशु ने खेला है and all of that. Then he started speaking and then I was like, okay, this guy is my fucking male version. He's exactly as me, but I am little grounded, not as much as him. But this was a thing. So first I believed his words, then I saw his actions. So it didn't match.
Exactly.
It didn't match. And I'm just, yeah. It took some while
When
for
did
me.
you realize that Diptanshu might not be the one and the feelings might not really be there?
Every single day, but then he would come up,
Why didn't you
make
leave?
a new story.
I mean, he's very good at convincing.
Yeah.
He could convince anybody. Trust me, he can convince you also.
But are you naive to fall back into it?
I mean, partially naive, but not completely. So I always like, so whenever I take 2 steps ahead, I know that I will be making sure that there are 2 steps back so that I can take it back. So for a while, I was in a zone ki ek chance dete hain, ye wo. But he's like, तुम दूसरों को मत सुनो, सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं. You just trust me.
Men,
Yeah.
trust me.
Oh my God,
I am
feel
different.
Like my whole, I'm just sweating. I know.
So now, moving on to Sadaf, let's give Sandy a rest. Sadaf, you're in the hot seat now.
All the best. All the best.
No, these are actually good questions. You like them. Your and Tain's feelings were quite clear, rather, from day one. You've also, not day one per se, I mean day 2 or 3, but at least the moment it became clear, it was clear. So what exactly happened with Tain? Like, we've had this conversation with Tain. He's mentioned what he liked, what caught his eye. I want to know from you, what caught your eye? Why this guy?
We spent, I think, day 1 ke baad, when we came back to the villa, when we were supposed to get to know the boys, जिनको hearts दिया ये वो. So that night, like, it was day 1 for me to be like seeing people and the cameras and this and that. तो मैं थोड़ा हिचकिचा रही थी बात करने से लोगों के साथ भी. I didn't go to nobody. Tain was the first person who came to me. Whereas people were like, oh, you like Saurabh more.
Exactly, that was my question next.
Saurabh never came to me.
Okay, fair.
He never came to me.
That makes sense.
I spoke to Tain, like he spoke to me first and we had like a good half an hour का conversation. उसके बाद the next day also, मैं जब देखती थी Saurabh, एक दो बार मुझसे बात करने के लिए आया. I used to see योगेश. सदफ इधर आना बात करनी है.
Oh my God, really?
सदफ इधर
Oh my
जाना,
God,
बात करना,
that's-
बात
yes,
करना.
yes.
I like men who are confident.
Of course.
Who would take a lead. I don't want a man who's like दो
Somebody
sides पे वो जो
else's,
चलते
yeah.
हैं ना left right में,
Yeah.
वो मुझे पसंद नहीं है.
ज़्यादा
You might have
safe
seen
खेलने
like
वाला.
टेन किसी alliance में नहीं है, but टेन के दो friends हैं उसके साथ.
Yeah.
But टेन
The
is
way
there.
it is supposed
Yeah.
to be. Yeah.
So all of that, and then he was very sweet also initially, like
all
bombed
the
me
guys,
so much. Yeah, we would like have walks रात में villa के बाहर, and we would like do these dances.
Oh my
and this and that.
goodness.
So all of that happened in like 2 दिन के अंदर 3 दिन के अंदर इतना ज़्यादा हमने टाइम स्पेंड किया. वो अब दिल पे तो किसका ही वो.
So my only point is, you were so upset the entire time, and Tane was pretty much having a great time in the other villa.
I saw that.
Did you see the interaction where he was pitching to Niharika?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
like
bedroom में on the bed.
you are Niharika and I'm Tane, and like
That just flashed.
yeah,
That scene just
I
flashed
swear.
inside
that was
my
too
eyes.
much, no?
If there's anybody I'd like to perform with, it would be you.
Me?
Yeah.
मतलब like imagine 2-4 दिन में initially he's literally sitting like that with me everywhere we're talking, looking straight
Something
into my
like
eyes.
I think he also said na in the other. Well, he said it here also, but I think he also mentioned that you were a little too much for him, if I'm not wrong.
I mean that depends on his choice. I think I am just me. अगर मैं किसी को ज़्यादा लगती हूँ तो I'm not gonna change myself for that.
That is fair.
Yeah.
क्या आपको बुरा लगा when Tane did speak or actually did not speak about you in the other villa?
She cried a lot.
That we saw.
No, there's a lot more crying
Even
behind
while
the
watching the
scenes.
episode, she has cried. Because we had no idea कि हमने सोचा कि ये सदफ का ढोल बजाएगा वहाँ पे कि
बुरा
सदफ
लगा
ऐसा-
ना?
उसने आके बोला इनफैक्ट कि वहाँ पे तो सब लड़कियों को मैंने बता दिया था कि मेरा कनेक्शन है. आई वाज नॉट बिल्डिंग नो कनेक्शन विद एनीबॉडी दिस दैट. और मैं देख रही हूँ डोम के अंदर वो क्या क्या बोल रहा है, निहारिका के साथ कैसे बैठा हुआ है, क्या कर रहा है. I'm like what the hell. And in fact तब मैं और हिमांशु we were like very good friends. None of these boys told me anything about it.
हमें
Nobody.
For us also, while we watched Paisa Villa episode, it was a shock.
It was a shock, literally a shock.
Must have been.
छोड़ो.
Tane is like that.
He is like
She
that.
should have known that Tane is like that.
But now that we've spoken so much about Tane, how can we speak about Tane and not speak about somebody who was kind of crazy for him? So, Sada.
I'm on a demand.
She's like,
You better
if you
decide
want to choose me,
quickly.
you gotta choose quickly because I'm in
Easy about
demand.
you, huh?
So, Sadaf, it was actually pretty awkward. We all saw when you were telling Tane to repeat what she had just said, and he was shy that she said, I'm kind of crazy about you. How did you feel? Did you feel embarrassed? Did you feel second-hand embarrassment, or were you angry?
डोम सेशन खत्म हो गया था. एक्चुअली यू सेड कि दे आर नॉट एन आइडियल कपल. तो कैजुअली मैंने टेन अप्रोच किया था एंड आई वाज लाइक हे आर यू सिंगल बिकॉज़ आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक्ड यू पहले से. So I just put that out there and he, you know, he thought about it. Then he was like, I'm going to be loyal to her.
Yeah, she
So I
said
think
she's
that's great.
I'm crazy about you.
She said she was in serious demand, but she's with her last stop.
मुझे एक्चुअली में बहुत ज़्यादा उसके लिए बुरा लग रहा था.
Second hand embarrassed.
क्योंकि मैं लिटरली टेन को बोल रही थी कि मेरे मुंह से तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, तुम ही बोल दो. तुम ही बोल दे उसने क्या बोला है. So it was, I mean,
I think even Anjali realized कि उसके भी मुंह से वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इसीलिए she was hesitant to
Yeah,
repeat
yeah,
it the second time.
Yeah.
But that was actually a little embarrassing. Like even when we were watching it,
Little?
I was gouging my eyes. कि, oh my God! what
Oh,
I-
she shouldn't have done it. Shit. Last में वो
उसको भी
बुलाया
बोलने
गया था ना, बाय बाय बुलाने के लिए उसको बुलाया था ना. वहाँ पे एक मीम आ रही है जहाँ पे वो बोल रही है कि Kevin says I don't
Okay. We've spoken so much about Anjali, Tane, the light-hearted conversation हो गया.
Oh, light-hearted.
This was light-hearted, no? It was pretty light-hearted.
दिल पे लग गया तो यार.
Camera.
Now I have a question for you, Sadaf. This one moment of yours has the internet divided. When the moment started, I felt it was cute. But then the moment you doubled down on the moment, we were like, okay, ज़्यादा हो गया थोड़ा सा. I think you know which moment I'm hinting. Which one? Let's see if you can
The ring
guess.
one.
Yes. Oh, she's self-aware. So tell me, did you realize in the moment कि अब ये मजाक से हट गया है और serious हो गया है and awkward हो रहा है? Did you realize?
बेहतर है कि रिंग को रिंग फिंगर से पहनाने तो अच्छा ही है ना, नीज पे जाके इसको ब्रेसलेट पहना.
हाँ.
है कि नहीं?
Go. Come on.
You're not down on your knees and
But
you're doing
I
the
will
middle
get.
finger.
I will get. It's a middle finger only.
No.
It's a middle finger only.
No, down. Go down on your knees. One knee. What are you thinking? See? देखो reaction देखो इसका.
Because if he wants to go down, it comes from his heart, love.
Then it's
Yeah.
okay. Don't force yourself. We're good.
Yeah.
Good night.
So there's a small story behind that.
Go on.
The chain that he gave me on my wrist. So he had told me that I'm gonna make a ring out of it and give it to you on the date.
Oh, he did.
Yes. So
Why did Tain completely miss out this part when we had the same question last time? I asked the same question.
Yeah.
He never mentioned anything
why
like
would
that.
he? So उसने I mean क्यों इतना कैसे कोई बोल सकता है कि
है ना,
ठीक है, that
अजीब
wasn't
लगा
my
ना,
head.
अजीब लगा.
हाँ, मैं देख रही हूँ कि ये पीछे का क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे हैं जो एक्चुअली में हुआ है.
Right.
Because and then we had this one fun segment of blue balls or something like that.
Yeah.
तो वो conversation भी हमारे डेट में हुआ ऐसे करके where I was like joking with him. जब उसने बोला I'm sure about you, you wanna continue with me ahead in the game. I'm like no, and then I'm like yes, I'm joking. Of course I wanna be continuing the game with you. तो उस सारी कॉन्वर्सेशन में थोड़ा मैंने उसको चिढ़ाया था.
So then why did you get so pissed off about his body count thingy?
Body count वो मुझे so the whole thing had started before the date. वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में हमारी थोड़ी बहस हुई थी जो डेट पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा इरिटेशन बिल्टअप हुई थी चीज़ों को लेके. एंड देन कुछ तो कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ था हमारा बॉडी काउंट को लेके. एंड देन आई वाज जस्ट लाइक अब हो गया भाई, अब मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी, नाइट खत्म हो गया, प्लीज आई वांट टू गो नाउ. And then he started saying so. He started doing those cute things for the camera, probably.
Finally, she's getting it.
And then when he was there, so उसने वो चेन निकाला, and then I was like, ring.
Yeah.
Ring जो बोला था in my head, भाई ring जो बोला था निकाल के दो अभी. This is the time. तो वो जो हुआ तो आगे आपने
I
देखा.
swear I didn't know about this.
Yeah, so even your reaction was our reaction.
Yeah.
It has to come from the heart,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's why I was like, if he want to do it, he will do it.
But this backstory?
this backstory, I don't know. And she used to never say anything about him. वो इतनी अंधी थी कि she never said anything that would like demean him or would
There's
make him look like a bad person.
So many incidents like
But this
that.
Should just keep quiet and
I
she
don't
should
like.
smile.
We did not know
Yeah.
the backstory,
Yeah.
so we didn't judge it like that. हमने तो जो देखा कि अच्छा खासा डेट से आया, इसने
मेरा
मजाक
reaction
में
भी
बोला.
वैसे ही था.
And
मैं बोला
after
तो
a
थोड़ा
point,
ज़्यादा हो रहा है. That is what
on
it
your knees,
genuinely
and I was like, क्या? Do you want him to propose? It was
I mean,
awkward.
no, it was just a small little story.
But it makes
behind
sense
yeah.
now. Now it makes sense. Well, it is still embarrassing, but now there's a justification to it, so we can move past it.
I mean, I do certain cute things when I am with somebody.
No, your part was cute.
Yeah.
You asking was cute.
Yeah.
The way it turned out,
Yeah.
that is where
Yeah,
it did
of
it.
course it would.
Now, so आपने कहा था रॉन के लिए that he is like your best friend,
Yeah.
and you did admire him. You were very out loud, and even right now you are admiring,
Yes,
which is
yes.
great. Which is great.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. You also said कि अगर like you would have wanted somebody like Ron. If Diptanshu were not in the picture, you would have loved to play with Ron.
Yes.
So what gave you that confidence that Ron will perform with you, given he was so obviously head over heels for Asmita?
So when the whole before the dome session, जब तेजस्वी करण वाला चीज़ हो गया था, तो again I told you कि my mom told don't cry in front of the camera, do whatever you want, but don't get tears, like I will not be able to see and stuff. So बहुत accumulate हो रहा था, बहुत emotions ऐसे आ रहे थे कि I was seeing like even if I'm not saying they're fake couples or real couples or something, they were doing good. They were actually doing good. Whatever they were given on their plate, they were just performing it well.
Right.
So आपको अभी completely invest नहीं भी हो रहा है, तो you can try.
Yeah.
You can try and make it like fun.
Yeah.
That's why we are here. You might be here to win, but I'm here to enjoy and win.
And when, yeah.
Winning
I
is
remember
only.
how upset you were that day.
Yeah. And जब ये सब हुआ, जब मैंने इजहार किया करण सर से ये वो तेजस्वी मैम से, हम जब बाहर वापस गए विला, Ron came up to me.
Yeah.
But I was expecting Deep will come to me. And what kind of high expectation
Why did
is
he
this?
not?
I don't know.
Did you have a word with him?
No.
Why
no.
not?
Like, I am upset.
कितनी बार पूछेंगे कि क्यों नहीं आए
So
तुम,
you've
या
had
कुछ भी
this
नहीं किया।
discussion.
So हाँ, so जब हम गए थे रॉन आया.
तो help me understand this. जब आपको उसकी emotionally ज़रूरत थी, he did not come, even though you had this discussion 100 times.
Yes.
But at the same time, when you need split coins to be in power, he's giving you all of his split coins.
Not all
So,
of it, like 3/4 of it.
as much as you need. So do you think ये selective gesture was a part of his strategy कि ये करके मेरा फायदा होगा तो let's do this.
Yeah.
ये करके मेरा फायदा नहीं होगा तो it's fine. Relation तो इससे भी चल रहा है.
He thought like, yeah, he would give everything to me, thinking that like game है.
वो इमोशनली बस कनेक्शन नहीं बना रहा था यहाँ पे.
Obviously.
Else than that, I think it was just
बना रहा था मतलब
Not
he would
like-
show up the next day.
Yeah.
That day is done. Like let's say अभी fight हुआ है, he would like to come and talk to me the next day.
So you people were more like play buddies. You weren't really partners.
No.
You were.
Yeah. The conversations that we used to have in private was completely different.
Yeah.
It was more of life. It was more on real conversations.
And yet he did not give you the emotional support you needed.
I mean, how much ever he could, he gave, okay? But Ron is somebody that I would be with even in real life.
So you were saying कि Diptanshu has to do it, and to Ron it just comes naturally.
Yeah. That's why every time he says, हम सब Ron तो नहीं है, हम सब तो Ron
हो
तो
भी
नहीं
नहीं सकते।
Ron हो भी नहीं सकते,
So
वैसा.
was he like the benchmark of the kind of guy you would have wanted?
On the show,
Yes.
And he came to me and he told me that it's all like not going well with Asmita.
But don't you think it's a little unfair for Diptanshu to be compared to Ron? Like similar, just
Yes, it
yeah,
is.
no?
It is because
If
when
he
I saw
says-
his face, it was all blue. That's why I was quiet. That's why I was letting him speak. At some point, I was letting him speak.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yes, I was quiet because okay, now it's all out. Let me just own up to it.
Yeah.
अभी देखते हैं कि इसका response क्या है. But he told that one dialogue where I was off.
Yeah.
First of all, sir, ये कौन होती है मुझे एक chance देने वाली? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, like, how could he even say that? He should have addressed what happened, why that situation happened, why she made this conversation.
Instead of being defensive like
yes,
that.
first instinct of his is he becomes defensive and then he kind of like Marolo 5, all the conversations like some kind of master, but nothing like that.
ये मुझसे बहुत चीज़ें एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है और बोल रही है इसका कनेक्शन रियल है. अगर किसी का कनेक्शन रियल होता है सर वो बैकअप नहीं रखता है. ये अभी बोल रही है कि अगर मुझे एक चांस देगी, ये कौन होती है वैसे मुझे चांस देने वाली? मैं शुरू से स्ट्रेट रहा हूँ इस चीज़ में कि अगर मेरा इसके साथ कनेक्शन नहीं बनेगा तो मैं किसी और के साथ नहीं बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं एक बार में एक ही के साथ कनेक्शन फील कर सकता हूँ. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता मैं मेरे को दूसरा पसंद आ रहा है, ये नहीं चला तो तीसरा, ये नहीं चला तो चौथा.
मेरे को तो 5th भी चलेगा.
हाँ तेरे को चलेगा, मैं मेरा बता रहा हूँ.
When all of this was happening in the dome, when you put it out कि you would want to be paired with Ron, and Ron kind of backed off. That it was more from your side, less from his, and he wouldn't pair with you because he was with Asmita, whatever. How did you feel that? Did you see that coming?
No, the thing is, he never said no.
Tell me more.
He never said no, and it was purely for game I was talking about. It was not really like feelings.
So did you think Ron would pair with you for game?
Of course, yes.
But he had Asmita?
But did you ask him this question?
I did. I did actually.
What did he say?
I cannot tell you that. That's your answer.
Yes, he would, because he used to always say that Asmita is not respecting me, this, that. And for me, I am like, Diptanshu is doing this. So we both were crying.
But in the episode, he was pretty clear that he will not leave Asmita and he'll just stick with his girl.
Okay, you stick, it is okay. It was just a conversation that I had with my girls. If Diptanshu is not emotionally available, then I will just ask Ron.
Asking is fair.
But
That's
then he
fair.
would say yes.
You think so?
Yep, that's why we are talking now after the show.
And they're not.
And they are not.
Okay.
I have something to flex.
Okay,
I have something, at least a friendship to flex about.
No comments here. Iske pehle, we've already done the episode with Ron. You've already heard all his answers. Now you're getting unfiltered from Sandy. How exciting is this getting?
Oh, I really want to see that episode.
Oh, you'll have fun. You'll have fun. I can tell you, you'll have fun. Now, Sadaf, Coming back to you.
Say yes.
Yes. Yes.
So, Tain and Himanshu don't see eye to eye at all. They've both been on the couch, and it was difficult for me to see eye to eye to both of them because they just don't. And you had a very decent bond with Himanshu. Was that difficult, navigating between these two guys who don't see eye to eye, and you are very close to somebody, one guy is your connection? How was the dynamic?
I mean, उसने कभी इंटरफेयर नहीं किया कि मेरी फ्रेंडशिप किससे है किससे नहीं है.
Yeah, he mentioned.
Because मैंने भी उसका till a certain point, आगे जाके जैसे भी हमारी जब चीज़ें थोड़ी ख़राब हुई है, the time that he used to spend with me and the time that he used to give it to me, वो he started spending it with his friends.
Tain?
The girlfriends, yes. The girlfriends, by the girlfriend I mean like
The girls
or friends, yeah.
Who were
For
these-
example.
Yeah.
For example, like which group exactly?
Yeah, who were
Chop
these
it
girls?
off.
No, I mean Asmita clearly because अभी शो के बाद भी वो लोग
Yeah, I've
कर
been
रहे हैं.
hearing that a little
I
bit.
thought some other person.
Asmita and Kyra.
Okay. Yeah,
And,
Kyra and Tain were good friends.
Just friends?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Clearly
I
friends.
found out later
Yes.
on when Kyra actually spoke with me and I was like, मुझे तुमसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तुम्हारी जगह कोई भी लड़की होगी, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है लड़की से. The problem is with the guy. I mean, me and Kyra are friends now because
Yeah.
उसी कुछ 1-2 दिन बाद ही मैंने जाके Kyra से actually में बात किया because I saw how she was. She actually stepped out. She stopped
Kyra.
talking to Tain. Yeah. कि तुम इसको बुरा लग रहा है तो मैं बीच में नहीं आऊँगी.
Kyra is a sweet girl.
So and then they were very good friends and I felt bad कि उसको लग रहा है मुझे उससे प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे
Yeah.
उससे नहीं, मुझे इससे प्रॉब्लम है. Coming back to the Himanshu वाला thing, I never interfered until थोड़ा सा जहाँ पे मुझे मेरा टाइम कट करके बाकी जगह स्पेंड हो रहा था तो it was the frustration was on him later on. It was never about the girls. तो उसने कभी इंटरफेयर नहीं किया because उसकी तरफ से दिखा है कि मैंने उसका टाइम कहीं और नहीं दिया है. I know where my friends are supposed to be. I know where my connection is supposed to be. Priority में हमेशा मेरा connection और मेरा partner ही रहता है मेरी life में भी.
And was Himanshu just a friend or more?
Just a friend. In fact, the first day जब हमारा conversation होता है, हमारा emotional bond भी इसलिए इतना ज़्यादा create हुआ था. I'm very close to my mom. The first conversation we had when we spoke, it was about his mom, like how he told me that when he got selected, he got the confirmation for splits. He didn't go out with his friends. He partied with his mom. They spent time together and this and that. So एक mom के topic से ही हमारा conversation हुआ था, and that literally kind of got me emotionally attached with him. And he was always there for me whenever I was upset and this and that. So it was just that. And I literally have mentioned it in the shows. I was like, I only see him like a friend who's more like a brotherly vibe for me.
Okay.
Just
now that we've discussed emotional attachment, let's just discuss attachment. Because I want to know, did you all see this in the villa? Did you all have a feeling? Did you ever confront?
Eventually, yes.
Yes.
When
Not
did you-
initially,
Not
eventually,
initially,
yes.
When did you first feel like the vibe is off? Both of you.
This Tain is one big time.
Tell me.
There
He's a hypnotizer, I'm telling you.
Oh, duh.
He can hypnotize anybody. Okay. I mean, there was a rumor also like he kind of like sees people and all that. That is not true.
Sees people?
I mean, like
Stares
people or something, which is not true.
Okay.
He is just very flattering that way.
Okay.
Like he can have like 10 girlfriends and he can keep all of them happy. But
Oh, let me introduce you to this very thing right here. This is a bell. I know
Okay.
that, no genius. But you know what this is used for? Each time I feel कि आप घुमा रहे हो या पका रहे हो या आप थका रहे हो, I am going to ring this.
Oh, I
so
was
we
just
circle
pakaw
back.
for
Yes. So we circle back.
okay, very good. We didn't know about this.
Yeah, I thought, but right now I didn't think that I
when
need
was
it.
आगे so,
Yes.
so I will
Yes.
tell you.
Yes, please.
आगे जाके जब थोड़ा सा हमारे बीच में differences create होते हैं, I would see them literally late night तक sitting outside their room, far किसी और विला में बिल्कुल end में जाके काफी देर तक जब हम लोग रात को we would just go
Damn,
get warm milk and everything
got it, got
before
it.
the sleep.
One of the time I only told her that.
That,
But not in
wow.
a very bad way.
Yeah.
I was like, if she's crying, he's
Yeah.
supposed to be with her.
Yeah.
He was enjoying. I don't know how
so.
to get in there, but he was so full
So did
power
you ever
enjoying.
confront him, Sadaf?
No, my point is that अगर मेरा ही सिक्का कोटा है तो मैं किसी और को
Exactly.
क्या बोलूँगी
That's
जाके
fair.
ना? तो अगर मैंने उसको इतनी बार बोला है और वो जाके बात करे and if she's still talking to him,
Then
तो मैं
take
क्या
him.
बोलूँ बीच में?
Take
और
the
उस
man.
सिक्के ने आपको भी एक आध बार बोला था कि अब मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, you're too much burden जैसा लग रहा है. But did you feel like टू लेट, अभी ऑप्शन नहीं है तो कर लेते हैं, झेल लेते हैं?
ऐसा कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं हुआ था।
रियली?
नो।
ऐसा कोई
प्रिंस के सामने?
कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन वो नहीं हुआ था।
प्रिंस के सामने?
प्रिंस के सामने वाला भी जो कॉन्वर्सेशन था, उसकी भी बैक स्टोरी पता नहीं क्या आई थी, वो क्या होके निकला है बाहर। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट एनीवेज, बट वहाँ पे उसने हमारे एक प्राइवेट कॉन्वर्सेशन को एज अ वेपन यूज किया टू फिनिश थिंग्स ऑफ।
Are you serious?
Yeah, what is
Yeah.
that private conversation?
The thing that I want to be with him after the show. So
That you want to be with him after the show?
Yeah.
So what is wrong with that?
Nothing is wrong with that. I would, if
Did you ask him to make any further promises, like you guys could get married, have kids and all that?
So the conversation started where me and him, we were joking. We were inside his room. Chaksh और ये सब लोग बाहर बैठे हुए थे. We were just having a conversation to get to know each other more, so that हमारे जो आगे challenges होने वाले हैं, उसके लिए we had to like share how we want things in our future and how our mind works and how our childhood is, everything, what we like, what we don't like. वो conversation एक funny way में शुरू हुआ that अभी मुझे शादी इस टाइम करनी है, ये कब करनी है, वो कब करनी है. वो कॉन्वर्सेशन चलते चलते ऐसे हो गया हमारे बीच में that we started like talking about us.
Okay. And how far did the us go?
It went until बहुत आगे कि घर कहाँ बनेंगे, क्या करेंगे, why do I like it?
voluntarily बात कर रहे थे.
Yes,
We were out.
Yes.
Because I think this was something, if I'm not wrong, this was something that Tain did mention on this couch.
Yeah.
I asked him the reason to like break it off with you and what made it so heavy that you all could not continue. And he said that because you were expecting too much and putting too much pressure on him.
I mean,
like
that's wild and crazy for anybody to believe that मुझे एक हफ्ते के अंदर एक इंसान से प्यार हो जाएगा, मैं पहाड़ों के पीछे उसके साथ घर बनाऊंगी,
and he
4 घोड़े रखूंगी, 2 बच्चे करूंगी.
He even mentioned that you were talking about, I don't know, getting married after the show and having kids, and I was like, dude, but that's like going too fast, no? Like,
I mean, she came and she told me this conversation that we had, that they had, that like, हमारे दोनों का बच्चा होगा तो कैसे दिखेगा?
So it was a joke.
It was a joke. And she never knew that it would be used against her, and he even knows it.
He knows it. The fact that
you know that feeling that he knows it and he's still doing it. It actually doesn't even hurt her. It was used in a very bad way.
That's why I broke down वो जब टास्क हुआ है.
That is horrible.
Is why I broke down. पहले तो मुझे शॉक हुआ कि मैंने कब बात करी कि
outside the show. And that's just embarrassing कि तू ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है मेरे बारे में, right?
तो मुझे पहले वो हुआ कि मैंने बात तो करी नहीं है. Then when he mentioned कि वो किस बात को कहाँ पे relate कर रहा है, then I lost it. I'm like, don't lie right now.
Everybody were against her.
Next time जब भावनाओं में बह रहे हो, रोक लेना.
Know when to stop joking.
You know, I think you all should follow this one mantra that I follow. Fall deeply, madly, but don't fall first. Do that. पहले उसको करने दो, फिर तुम करो. You'll have ammunition.
Yeah.
चलो, anyways, now guys, we're gonna move towards the next section, ठीक है? This, my darlings, is called the hot mic. मैं आपको कुछ नाम दूंगी, quickly एकदम, and आपके मन में जितने adjectives आ रहे हैं, एकदम फटाफट quickly, you have to make it sexy. Done?
Can you start from her?
Yes, absolutely.
Obviously, Sadaf, because see,
Make sure to keep the mic hot, Sandy.
I know her bell is right there. Huh? She will start making the moment I speak.
Let me just say it like this. The tea wasn't hot, but this tea needs to be. Yeah.
Mic drop, baby.
Ready?
Yes.
First name, Sandy. Diptanshu.
झूठ बोलने को है तो आप सही से बोलो next time. और if you have somebody in your life, you have various different shows. जैसे रोडीज वगैरह बहुत सारे MTV के बिग बॉस है, रोडीज है, एंगेज है जहाँ पे एंगेजमेंट होती है, बहुत सारे शोज है ऐसे आप जा सकते हो. बट नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ योर नेक्स्ट शो में जाने से पहले आपका कोई हो तो आप ऐसे शो में जाइए जहाँ पे लव कनेक्शन नहीं बनाना है और सिर्फ गेम खेलना है, विच विल बी good for being as a human being and it will not hurt anybody in the process. And karma is a real bitch and I don't have to curse or do anything.
Okay.
It will hit back at the right time.
Okay. Suzanne.
Mentally unstable and needs to get her brain checked up and needs a little more of counseling and more of therapy.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, all the best to her for her next show. obviously she is gonna throw shit or something like that next time
My
if she's not
goodness.
seen
Okay.
in the show. Yeah.
Crazy. Anushka.
I'm just.
Yeah, you're doing good.
Let's go. This mic is
You're doing good,
crazy.
yeah. You're doing good.
She's charged up.
Yeah. Anushka.
Anushka was good, but then eventually I realized that she has like two characters. One is many characters, out of which is one is off camera and one is on camera. On camera पता नहीं नागिन बन जाती है, and then off camera कोई उसको देखता नहीं है. And good luck Mohit and all the very best. अभी तो साथ में भी नहीं है ना वो लोग. नहीं है हाँ.
वो ऐसे ही कर रहे हो
बिकॉज वो पॉडकास्ट में जाके उसकी बुराई करती है एंड साथ में अच्छी रहती है.
एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि साथ में भी रहे.
हाँ.
Yeah, I did not know. We need to know more. What?
So basically she goes on the podcast and she says like he's a red flag, this, that and everything.
Who says that about their boyfriend?
Exactly, boyfriend. वो भी ऐसे उसने तो कुछ confess नहीं किया है मोहित
मैंने तो
जबरदस्ती I love you
देखा है यहाँ पे. मोहित was like, हाँ हम लोग
शो में अंधा होना एक चीज होती है, शो के बाहर भी आप अंधे हो तो आपको एक्चुअल में कुछ प्रॉब्लम.
Bro, they were to like very
She
much
called me a
confessing.
psychopath. Okay, for my people I might be.
Yeah.
She calling me a psychopath is so funny. And you know how she is. Harshit, Bell Buddhi.
Okay.
And 0.5x and very fake.
Okay.
Yep. Sorry, Preet. I know what has happened to you.
Himanshu.
Himanshu, manipulator, but as a person, he's a very nice person. उसको सिर्फ like I think so कि लड़कियों के मैटर में वो थोड़ा सा मतलब every season he has one girlfriend which I was not aware of. Apart from that, he is a really nice person.
Okay.
तो ready है ना?
Yes, Sadaf, it's your turn now. Let's go. Sadaf, ready?
मेरे भी हाथ में ऐसे.
तो मुझे तुम्हें देखना.
It's you.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
Sandy was hot. Now you need to be hotter.
She is.
Ready?
Thank you.
In
think
3, 2, 1. Anjali. Match made in heaven. Anjali 10. Come on, girls. Anjali.
Anjali, I think she's very confused.
Okay.
And she's attention seeker.
Fair. I mean, not fair. Yeah, okay.
दिल से निकल रहा है Karshit. Now don't change that.
और?
Goodness.
I think बस यही है. Otherwise, she's a good person. पता नहीं, but वही है on and off camera 2%. तुमसे नहीं झेला जा रहा है ना.
She's like, come on, be honest. Be honest.
डोम में तो तुम
नहीं, मैंने बोला वही चीज़ कि she's an attention seeker. I think most of the time she's confused. वो अपना गेम जो प्ले करने आती बेचारी को वही उल्टा पड़ गया गेम के अंदर.
That was a horrible game to play, man.
So I think उसको थोड़ा सा अपना देख के चलना चाहिए कि लाइफ में क्या चाहिए, किस वे में चाहिए. She should be more like.
और कब नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
Yeah.
वो भी.
Yeah, that too.
I'm in demand.
Next, Suzanne.
Suzanne, she's a kid who needs some parenting, like real one.
Fair.
Yeah.
Fair. Good one.
Yeah.
That's actually just one line, but that speaks a lot. So
Yeah.
good one.
Thank you.
This is what happens in Dome, guys. You all don't need to fucking yap for 2 fucking hours.
And
Just say 2 lines
overlap
and
all
get
the
done. Yeah.
Yeah. Overlap.
Next, Harshit.
Harshit, I think he's a very strong guy. बस उसमें वही है खूबी.
मतलब you're saying you don't have.
Next, Mohit.
Spineless. I would stick to that. That wouldn't change for me. I think a man should be like a man.
Yeah.
He should know कि वहाँ पे अपने लिए कब stand लेना है, कब बोलना है, कब चीज़ें अपने लिए करनी है.
Right.
You shouldn't be like, ठीक है जोरू का गुलाम बनो ये सब वो करो, but प्यार में करो. In real life, it shouldn't be like that. For me, that guy doesn't have like much of a personality of his own.
Makes sense. Anushka. Tain.
Tain, he's a love bomber. Yeah.
I agree. Anything else?
अभी कुछ नहीं और बोलने के लिए उसके लिए.
ठीक है. एक point के बाद saturation आ जाता है where you
Yeah.
just don't give
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
You don't give anything about that person
Yeah.
anymore. Okay, so with that, we are done with the hot mic. You all did not
you.
bad,
There you
I
go.
must say. Not bad at all, in fact.
I tried to be nice. I can't.
Good one. I think these girls were very good with the hot mic.
Oh.
Now, girls, I have another question for you. So, Sandy, let's ask you. ये हमने mention भी किया था थोड़ा बहुत that after the tea incident and after the prank incident, you all started getting a lot of hate, a lot of comments, a lot of bot comments, which is always the case. Even I get bot comments till this date from your season's contestants, which is even pathetic. But yeah,
इस सीजन में बच्चों के पास पैसा बहुत है लग रहा है कि like they're doing so much of PR.
I'm like, if you want to do the PR, go ahead, do it for your contestants. ये मेरे YouTube comment section में आके लिख के क्या होएगा? That's just bizarre. But anyways, my question is, you also mentioned कि आकांक्षा या फिर सुजैन के fans, followers, bots, whatever you call it, a lot of them were attacking you. What is that about? I want to know.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल इतने लोग आके हमें हेट दे रहे हैं, कहीं से तो ये उग रहा है ना, कोई तो कुछ डाल रहा है, कोई तो कुछ फीड कर रहा है किसी को कि इतना हेट आ रही है. बॉट भी है या पीआर भी है, जो भी है, somebody is feeding something, right? Who are these people? So obviously हमें my fans and my family of Instagram said that हम आपके बारे में अच्छा बोल रहे तो आकांक्षा के जो fan following है वो हमें आके threats दे रहे हैं.
So how do you know it is Akansha's fans?
Because they're by Akanksha's name.
Oh, like
Akanksha's fan page या Akanksha's face or something. For my life surprise, Suzanne का भी था fan pages. For the love of God, I was just like shocked. I'm not saying that she should get hate, but I was just a little surprised with the fan pages.
Fact that she has fans.
It was a little surprising for me. So बहुत ऐसे comments आने लगे, threats आने लगे, and it was directed to my spirituality. It was directed to my father and mother.
The family.
My sister started getting messages. She lives in Dubai. My mom, मेरे mom का नाम भी ये नहीं है Instagram में. It's a very different name on Instagram. वो ऐसे उन्होंने account बना दिया था. तो उनको जाके वो सारी चीजें आ रही थी.
The amount of times I've cried reading my DMs.
It was not about the hate. It was who they were actually targeting, like parents and family and everything. मैंने किया क्या है कि इतना hate आ रही है. अब चिल्लाने से थोड़ी अभी okay, let's say like I shouted at Suzanne or something like this happened in the dome. इसके वजह से इतना hate is like impossible. मैंने कुछ मेरे तरफ से किसी को मारा नहीं है, ये नहीं किया. For example, किसी ने मुझे poke किया है, तो I have reverted back. I never went initiative लेके मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है वैसा वगैरह without poking. तो then I got a screenshot of these people का channels. वहाँ पे घी डाल रहे हैं कि ये लोग baddies नहीं है, तुम लोग तो baddies बुला रहे थे इन लोगों को, ये तो असली bullies है. So this started from the main source that are the contestants. So उनको लग रहा है कि हमारे सुजैन को कैसे ये बोल दिया, हमारे आकांक्षा को ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया. So this started like when Suzanne's fan pages started. I knew that दाल में कुछ काला है.
So you feel that Akansha and Suzanne ने ये करवाया है against you?
Paid PR है.
I would say like करवाया है मुझे नहीं पता है, but की तो दिया है.
किसने दिया है?
Like these people have given the key.
Akansha and Suzanne?
Yes, they have given the key in their channels, which I have the screenshots and everything. कि ये एपिसोड में वेट कर रही थी जहाँ पे हमको बुली करा. We never bullied them or anything. We were just replying for the questions. They were okay. Let's say हम लोग बहुत चिल्ला रहे थे, जैसे मैं चिल्लाती हूँ, मेरा नेचर ही वैसा है. मुझे जब गुस्सा आता है मैं चिल्ला देती हूँ. बट आपको हमने बुली कभी किया ही नहीं है शो में.
मुझे तो इनिशियली पता भी नहीं चला था when actually मेरा वो सुजैन का फर्स्ट फाइट वाला बेस के साथ जब शुरू हुआ, when I started uploading things and I'm seeing 2000 comments, 800 comments, 500 comments, सब में, और ऐसे नहीं कि धीरे धीरे आ रहे. All of a sudden refresh कर रही हूँ, 100 comments, refresh कर रही हूँ, 300 comments. I started like losing my shit and I had to actually go and Google and ask people कि क्या हो रहा है क्यों. And then मैं उतना रोई उस रात को कि क्या हो रहा है, ये इतना तो कुछ हुआ भी नहीं. And then I found out कि there's a thing called negative and paid PR जो ये लोग करवाते हैं. And it blew my mind कि okay, ये चीज़ें हैं जिसको I think as contestants हम लोग को पता है, but normal audience को नहीं पता है. This has to come out for general audience to also know.
Would you have anything that you would like to clarify?
Of course, because आपको पता होता है कि आप जब hot seat पे बैठते हो या आप safe zone पे बैठते हो, suddenly danger zone से लोग क्या क्या बोल लेते हैं.
Yeah.
Like they suddenly come up with a lie or something that and in that moment, rather than just like responding in a very aggressive way, I can just ask, why are you lying? Rather I would be like, don't lie. Like क्या हो जाता है कि जो झूठ बोल रहा है वो सही दिखने लगता है.
Right.
Just because I'm screaming.
You felt you were misunderstood there?
Yes.
Definitely.
Fair. That's a fair point.
So what I feel like something that I can change about myself is like instead of reacting, I can respond.
Respond, yes.
That is something that I'm still working on in my life, in my real life as well.
Wise words by Sandy here.
Yeah, I'm
on
doing
that
good.
note, guys, let's move on to another question. And when the entire conversation panned out, when the viewers saw it, even though he was wrong, clearly your reaction was criticized.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
सदाब, आप उसे अपने पुराने कनेक्शन से बात करने से क्यों रोकने?
That is the whole point, sir. That is the whole point.
I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. Hold on one second. The reason is because when he first came in and Sadaf was speaking to him, she said, "You go clear out your mess."
Thank you.
And when you are done, and if it's cleared out, not cleared out, that's up to him. She didn't say that you need to stay here and tied him to her hip. Then when he said it's clear, she said that I don't want you to go talk to her.
For me, the moment the hosts made it very clear, it
Yeah.
was just मेरे लिए वो वहीं पे हो गया था.
They even pointed out, Mohit, that
Yeah.
you're not
Yes,
apologizing.
Karan
you're
sir
justifying.
asked him to apologize. अभी भी टाइम है करो. और उसके apology में भी जो भी हुआ था.
But
it
it
was
was
not
again,
an
no,
apology.
no.
Yeah.
Sorry is always sorry. It's the end
So
of the
I think I
sentence.
got my answers from the host. उधर ही शो में मिला था और उसके बाद भी जो bot comments है उसको तो मैंने पढ़ना छोड़ दिया है. I never got like any kind of criticism about that. So I'm okay with that.
Ask me how I know that you got criticism for that.
How?
Because when I put up a very logical point saying, "Ki guys, but she's only expecting this because she was told that you have the rights to."
Yeah.
So she was literally allowed to take that way,
Yeah.
so she took. And then I just, the random comments that, "Oh, you hate this person, you love this person, you're jealous of this person, you want to be like this person, and you are biased, and you are XYZ." And then I realized, okay, so I am getting this hate because of somebody that I've never met. And I've only backed up once because she's right. So that's when I got to
You
know.
have
कि,
no
okay,
idea कि सिर्फ not on your account, हमारे fan pages या कोई भी आप post उठा के देख लो, उसके comment section तक में भी वो लोग पैसा ऐसे उड़ा रहे हैं PR कराने के लिए. बहुत comments हमारे fan pages या कोई भी random page उठा लो, उसके comment section भरा हुआ है. सिर्फ हमारे
you
pages पे
wouldn't
नहीं हो
care
रहा है.
because you know the drill.
Yeah.
These small people who are making our fan pages are like, दीदी ये
They're
क्या हो रहा है?
traumatized.
आकांक्षा के फैंस आके हमें डरा रहे, थ्रेट्स दे रहे कि एक और वीडियो डालोगे तो सब मिलके तुम्हारे फैन पेज को उड़ाएंगे वैसा. उसके बाद भी I just keep telling in my channel, don't spread hate, don't spread hate, don't spread hate. We are not the people who spread hate, no matter what. I even mentioned in my channel कि दीप को भी hate मत करो. मतलब मेरे को करना is fine, I will do it. Okay, I will not like, you guys don't do it. I know what is going on with him as well. And nobody deserves it. I know when the hate came to me, I couldn't take it. And I don't think so anybody should get hate, trust me. Anybody, even if that person has done wrong, the people which they go and message is, oh, it is hell.
It's
It is
hell. Like I've received messages like about my family, my mother, that they should die in a
Yes, this is
car
the most
accident.
hurtful. This is the
I
most
hope
hurtful.
they-
That's just stupid.
It's crazy, and the
That's
amount of
very bad.
times I've cried reading those DMs or those comments, I have gone crazy.
And I
like,
don't
how
think
can
so
you do that
even
to the other person?
Deep deserves that kind of hate.
Nobody, I think.
I mean, whatever he's doing on his live and shit like that, it's hilarious. But I genuinely feel
इस
as a
लेवल का
human
तो
being,
नहीं मिलना चाहिए किसी को.
मैं करूँगी, मैं उसको personally मैं बताऊँगी ये ऐसा है वैसा है. I don't want anybody to go and just
just say random shit. That
yes,
makes sense.
Yes.
Okay, very hot, very heavy. Before we move on to another segment, I have one last question. Let's talk about one of the biggest betrayals of the season.
The way you looked into my eyes.
Okay, no. This one is not you. This one is not you.
Okay.
I just want to know your opinion on this. So clearly, Yogesh and Akansha were very much into each other. Yogesh mentioned ki how Akansha ko dekh ke he feels nice. You know, there's just a very strong connection.
Yeah.
Then, how does all of a sudden, when the old connection comes, the new one just dies?
Within a day.
Yeah,
Not, like within 24 hours.
Tell me more about it. How did that happen? How did you
I
take
was
it?
the happiest person in the
Damn.
villa.
Okay.
I just, when Ruru entered, I didn't know what the scene is, kiski ex hai, kya hai, wo hai. And then I had seen her in the last season. I liked her character. She's bindas. ज़्यादा दिखी नहीं है वो लास्ट सीजन में, बट फिर भी बिंदास कैरेक्टर, यू नो, व्हाटएवर शी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड, एंड आई टू लाइक हर दैट एनिमे कैरेक्टर. वो आई, उसके बाद एक वीडियो चलाई उन्होंने उनके रोड ट्रिप का, एंड दैट्स रूरू एंड योगेश. मैं थ्रोन से उठ के क्लैप मैंने एक
What were they doing?
I mean,
एक उनका कोई
song था, कौन सा सॉन्ग था?
तुम हो, जो आकांक्षा और उनकी डेट पे भी प्ले किया गया था.
चाहे वो
Oh, they were on a drive.
Yes,
It was a small clips from all different parts of their
where
trip.
they're hugging and cuddling, and obviously they were in a relationship for a year.
Oh.
Okay, Ruru is a sweetheart, by the way.
I
She's
know.
my favorite. So, मैं उठ के मैंने एक ताली बजाई है, क्योंकि अब भी देखते हैं कि होगा क्या. Because बहुत फ्लाई कर रहे थे ये लोग कि ये वो हम लोग मतलब स्प्लिट्सविला हम लोग चलाते हैं ये वो, you know, no, they obviously they came from roadies and all, they have that occurred a little bit, a little lot. But yeah, I was like, wow. किसी ने भी बात नहीं किया था रूरू से उस दिन. I went to
She
Ruru.
went to her.
I was like, तुम देख लोगे कि एपिसोड में क्या होने वाला है, but I genuinely feel that he was faking with her.
With Akansha.
Yes.
Okay.
And I kept saying in so many things. Once also it didn't come out. Once also it didn't come out. Why am I saying all this? I'll be in trouble.
No,
but
no,
anyways.
please. Yeah.
Yeah. But I used to feel like there's something off
About them.
about them. I wouldn't say it is fake. Something was off.
From Yogesh's side.
Yes, from Yogesh's side, not from Akanksha's side. I should agree on this.
Tell me this, when Ruru came, the video was shown, what was the conversation like between Akansha, Yogesh, Ruru? What was the
Nothing.
dynamics?
They were all normal. How can it be normal?
How can they be normal?
Exactly.
How can they be
How
normal?
can
What
they
the hell?
not
What
be
the hell?
fight? How can they not be fight?
How could you not fight? Yes.
That is the question.
They didn't fight?
No. They didn't fight at all.
आकांक्षा ने वो कर्ली बाल नहीं खींच दिए उसके सर से.
नहीं, क्या उसमें उतना होना भी चाहिए ना पुल करने के लिए. जो भी है, there was no fight, and that got us to a very. Why are you smiling? You also know they didn't fight.
वही मैं
Yes,
याद
Sadaf,
कर
why
रही हूँ,
didn't they
हंसी आ रही है.
They didn't fight.
मेरे को आकांक्षा का जो रिएक्शन था, मुझे लगा कि शायद सदमे में चली गई है, कुछ बोल नहीं रही है, बिकॉज और क्या जस्टिफिकेशन हो सकता है कि आपका योर गाय who is like kept you right here and is complete like जितना भी डेज का जर्नी हुआ है, all of a sudden 24 hours के अंदर like he's like okay this is
Another
my girl
one.
now.
Yeah, within 24 hours.
And then
But-
both the girls are not fighting with each other, they're all cool.
But
Ruru
I
is anyways very
really
nice
saw
with her.
Yogesh in love with Ruru.
Okay.
And that was real.
That was real.
That was so
genuinely
real.
वो दिखता था उसकी आंखों में.
उसके आंखों में दिखता था, उसके बॉडी लैंग्वेज में दिखती थी, उसके पता नहीं
योगेश
बालों
ना
में दिख रहा
ऐसे
था.
से ऐसे हो गया था,
ऐसे हो गया
रुरू के
था.
आगे, literally.
And Ruru is a wonderful woman. I love her for who she is. I don't know why they didn't fight, because the normal expectation from a viewer's point of view is there's going to be a fight, right? No, there's no fight. There is no reaction. There's no fight. आगे जाके होता है, but way आगे जाके, which is like तब.
So Ruru and Yogesh were already in love, already together. Then why did Yogesh pretend to like Akansha and all that?
That's what's the same situation where Ruru told me कि उनका breakup हो गया था due to some misunderstanding, and none of these people decided to speak. All I know is they had that real love bond.
Yeah, them too did.
मैं तो Ruru के I was very happy that Ruru was in the villa doing little chugli here and there कि तुम्हें episode में पता चल जाएगा ये उधर जाके.
So it was not
Akansha was
Akansha's
calm.
fault. So, I mean, I do feel bad for Akansha a little bit, because even if you are attached for 10 days, it might hurt. So let alone after 20 days or 25 days.
That's the
you know,
only
so
reason
much.
I felt bad for her genuinely.
हम सबको
ऐसे कटा था उसका.
genuinely बहुत बुरा लगा था.
उसको इधर.
I remember seeing that. I remember seeing that with my own eyes.
Oh, you were there. No, simply you made Susan sit on the throne.
Not simply, it was the choices that you all made.
We made?
Ah. So now guys, it's time we dig into the comments jar. Basically, आप लोग को इसमें से एक चिट उठानी है, and उस पर जो भी comment लिखा हुआ है, it could be for either of you, anybody, just have to react to it. Quickly, whatever comes in your mind, ठीक है? Ready guys?
Hypocrite Saundarya should be the last person to say this. Everybody knows how she milked content and sympathy out of the tea incident, even commented on a number of posts. But when the audience sympathy went to Suzanne, they thought they were some queens of the villa that we were.
Yes.
But got backfired, so now back to the saint character, have some shame, hypocrite. She's the biggest flipper. Just yesterday she posted all this on her story, and today she's going live and talking all about Akansha bad-mouthing her. The more she speaks, the more true colors are revealed. ये बहुत comments है क्या?
I'm a rainbow.
Okay.
Yeah, and unless and until I'm poked, I do not react. And I stop reacting. And if you think I'm a hypocrite, if you think I'm a bully and this and that, it's their opinion. So
Okay, fair.
yeah.
They started it.
What is it? Show it to the camera, please.
Kokila ruled the whole house, so I like it.
So Ahem is saying, Mama, Gopi ने मुझे green tea नहीं दिया. So Himanshu says, Mama, मैं खुद unsafe zone में आया हूँ. So Kokila Ben says, चुप राशि. And then Sadaf says, चुप सुजैन. And then Rakhi says, लेकिन मैंने क्या किया? तो सुजैन बोलती है, लेकिन मैंने क्या किया? राखी is a राखी.
Rashi, baby, Rashi.
राशि. So लेकिन मैंने क्या किया? Sadaf is the better Kokila. Stop this is so genuine. Sadaf is the better Kokila. Stop this is so genuine.
Oh, got it. Wow, dude. Like you were a proper Kokila Modi in that episode. More Kokila Modi than Kokila Modi.
I used to like Kokila.
I like she ruled the whole house, bro. I mean, मैंने उतना ही सुना, मैंने देखा तो नहीं है. मैंने सिर्फ सुना है.
Sadaf.
मैंने सिर्फ सुना.
You know, I have a request to make. इसने हमको करके दिखाया that she does a wonderful Susie. We all have seen that you become a Kokila Modi. So we'd love to see it happening in real time.
I also
Please
would
come
like
on.
to see after a very
वो
long time.
आता कैसे लेकर वो natural reaction था like.
Let me help. मैं आपको उंगली करती हूँ, ठीक है?
Yeah, that will work. Yeah, that will work.
So I am Suzanne, ठीक है?
Zip it.
I'm not mocking you.
Not laughing, angry.
कुछ भी नहीं किया. पर मैं तो
Show
मिला
me your
के बाहर
acting skills.
करूँगी. Now go on.
Go on. Acting scene.
Zip it. Shut up. Zip it. चुप करो.
This is exactly what happened in the dome. तू तो टीम को चुप करती है. मुझे कैसे करेगी?
Do it again. Say it again.
Shut up. Zip it.
टीम को चुप कराते हो ना,
मैंने
बस उसे
सुना
ही
ही
चुप
नहीं था
करो. मुझे
ये.
चुप कराने की कोशिश मत करो.
मैंने ये सुना ही नहीं. मैंने
You know
episode में देखा.
that small words.
Yeah, she like goes like करके. मेरे को अभी दिखा
This
episode
was
में.
funny.
उसको
Yeah,
अच्छे
please
से
go
पता
for
है
the
क्या
next
किया
one.
उसने. How funny. I'm reading yours, you're reading mine.
Yeah.
It's funny how yesterday we spoke face to face, cleared everything calmly. You literally cried in front of me. I have a video. And I consoled you. We agreed to move forward. But today,
This is your story?
you go live and twist the same story for the internet. If there was something left to clear, you should have said it to my face, not the camera.
Who was it for?
So basically,
Akanksha.
Akanksha went on live and said that we had a fight in the party and the party stopped and Sandy came up to me and everything. But the whole situation where it was like hum face to face the and we spoke and then I said how bad I felt that, you know, what happened to you on the show from a girl to girl,
That I heard.
okay?
I was
And she cried. So I actually consoled her. And next day she goes on the live and she says that, you know, the party stopped, Sandy ne ye kaha, Sandy ne wo kaha.
Exactly what Yogesh said.
Yes. And I was like, why? We had such a good conversation. I consoled
Fair.
you. You were crying.
Fair.
Why would you do that? Like, why on earth would you do that? Then I realized, why would she do that?
I don't know, bro. Like, why would you do that, Akansha? Next time you're on the couch, we're gonna ask this question to you. Why would you do that? Why? Why would you do that? Why? Next shit.
Her whole personality is a tea incident. Cloud face. Saundarya should low-key be thanking Suzanne for the tea movement because that's literally how she got her 4 to 5 supporter and all the hype. Now she's posting stories like, let's not spread hate. Meanwhile, this was her just a week ago. I'm as chronically online as her. And why is this jobless always liking hate reels against other contestants? Might actually be the worst contestants for sure, Cloudface. Okay, this is like my channel and I put DP saying that tea time.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And do you really think that I was seen on the show because of Suzanne or Suzanne was seen on the show because of me? and most importantly 4-5 supporters, no way. Like that is like I can't. And let's see, I also said that let's not spread hate.
Yeah.
So for example, जब टी का scene हुआ, I didn't want to take it very seriously. I thought okay अभी songs बजा रहे हैं उसके पीछे, जब मैं उसको मार रही हूँ, songs बजा रहे थे कि आपकी बेटी के अंदर एक भयानक आत्मा है, so उस चीज को मैं like कर रही थी. उस चीज को मैं like कर रही थी.
There was a funny reel.
It was a funny reel. I thought okay now the whole incident is over and that I have not
laugh about it.
Yeah, I didn't forget it or something. I was like, okay, अभी इसका joke बना रहे, तो joke बनाने दो. Rather than like giving me sympathy, it's better to do. Yeah. Still, I put a story saying that do not spread hate.
It's great that they've mentioned it there.
Yeah, she's like, let's not spread hate and that white heart. But I genuinely meant let's not spread hate.
Okay, fair.
Even though she did wrong. Like, I will always remember till I die. Thanks.
Me too.
Thank you.
A triangle of triangles for Sadaf. Tain, her, and Saurabh. Tain, her, and Anjali. Mohit, her, and Anushka. Yeah, that's true. I was stuck in weird triangles for some reason. Not by
It's a
choice.
nice
though.
comment.
Yeah, not by choice though. Matlab, first में ठीक था हाँ. I had to choose between the two. I did make my choice. Anjali, she came in. Them two, both of them came in.
Yeah, makes sense.
Mohit and Anushka.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Oh my god. Kudos to Sada for making look Susan good because the fuck was that. And I actually felt like Sunny was mocking her a little at the end of because ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया था. Sadaf definitely has superiority complex. You should. She thinks she's better than everyone. You are. And they should listen to her. They should. Okay, let's be honest. The way they are talking to Susan here in the dome in front of everyone with such mockery and demeaning demure, it must have been similar or worse in the villa.
This is about the part where she was actually asked to apologize.
Yeah.
But like...
And it's actually nice things about you only. That you have superior complex. You think that you're better than everyone, true.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
And you should listen to... yeah, they should listen to you, yes.
They all do.
They should.
Now girls, ये तो आप मानोगे कि मैं हिसाब का बहुत ध्यान रखती हूँ, है ना? अब आपको मैं कुछ दूंगी, तो मैं आपसे उससे ज़्यादा उम्मीद भी करूँगी. मैंने आपको मेरा काउच दिया, कंफर्टेबल एयर कंडीशनिंग दी, मेरी कंपनी का प्रिविलेज दिया, इतनी सारी बात करने का मौका दिया, रूमर्स क्लियर करने का मौका दिया. आपका भी फर्ज बनता है कि आप मुझे कुछ दो, राइट? से यस.
डर लग रहा है, डर लग रहा है, yes.
You guys are going to give me one exclusive gossip bomb. And this gossip bomb has to be something that has never been heard of, never been thought of before. And I know कि you guys have something. तो मुझे तुमसे है high उम्मीद. तो don't disappoint me. अब चाहे वो real life में हुआ हो, real life में हुआ हो, show पे, show के बाद, live में, कुछ भी. तड़कता भड़कता सा खबर. Cool?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
हाँ, बताओ तुम तो सोच रखा होगा.
Nobody asked me the question if I knew that Deep had a girlfriend outside.
So tell us now. Did you?
No, I didn't.
So tell us, what is your gossip bomb? Tell us.
I think that I was not told that he has a girlfriend and the connection was built with me for the 2 months. I don't want to get deeper to the point where we had what we did and what we didn't, but it's just that I was not told that he had a girlfriend, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि then why were you with me?
Yeah.
Exactly. Why the hell were you with me? Where let's say हमको अभी ship कर रहे हैं लोग. You know, people are shipping us. People are liking the character that we have on the show. Obviously, it's not entirely false, but it is like 90% truth that we are actually. जो हम गलत दिखे हैं, हम अच्छे दिखे, that is who we are.
Right.
So आपको उसको celebrate नहीं करनी थी, and you already had somebody outside. Why weren't you like clear since the beginning? अभी आके आप दिखा रहे हो कि ये मेरी girlfriend है. Okay, you be happy. But why weren't you transparent since the beginning is my whole point. And everybody is saying everybody knew. Who knew?
But you didn't know.
I didn't know. If I would knew, people would see it in the episode. अभी आगे जाके देखेंगे लोग कि मैं कितनी पागल हो रही हूँ.
Yeah.
So if I knew he had a girlfriend, अभी वो बोल रहा है कि मैं transparent हूँ उस चीज़ को लेके, तो मैं क्यों ऐसे behave कर रही हूँ फिर शो में?
Makes sense.
I mean, I never made sure that मैं कैमरा के लिए कुछ हूँ या रियल लाइफ में हूँ. मैं बाहर भी वैसी ही थी, मैं अंदर भी वैसी थी. तो that is one of the again I have just because she said Niharika and Saurabh.
तड़कता भड़कता.
She's giving मेरे साइड का भी gossip.
तो
मैंने जो सोचा था वही था.
another one.
अरे यार.
So
मेरे को बता दे मैं बताऊंगी.
वो चीज़ मैंने डिस्कस भी किया था. I feel like Niharika and Saurabh were not in touch after the show.
Yeah.
Suddenly, the thing that nobody imagined that Saurabh would be in the limelight. Because he was like, he underplayed.
Non-existent
He
on the
underplayed in
show.
the entire show. No respect, nothing.
Done.
But what happened was, वो लोग एक दूसरे को follow या कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे या वगैरह. Suddenly, Saurabh started getting that hype. For example, he started becoming famous for this song,
Yeah,
which was actually Sadaf's and
song पे reel बना था आँखों में आँखा that Shisha song I think उस पे हमारे edits आने लगे and it started growing.
And then suddenly they're following each other and they're doing videos together. And I recently also got to know that Saurabh was dating after the show as well. Like people are saying like on the live and everything like Deep had told me and all of that. Deep didn't tell me anything. Deep never mentioned about having a girlfriend.
We will have this conversation with Deep when he's on the couch.
I hope he shows up.
If he shows up.
That is good. Okay, so Sandy, this was your gossip bomb. Sadaf, do you have anything for us?
You just acknowledge her. This जो दो पहले भी बता चुके मेरे वाला भी acknowledge करके खत्म करो. मेरे पास सच में gossips नहीं होता है.
Fine. Okay. That pretty much sums it up, guys. Now, on that note, guys, you gave me an exclusive gossip bomb. Wonderful. I would like to thank you. I would like to give to you as well, right?
Amazing.
I have given you plenty gifts. The most important of it is, of course, my presence.
I was about to ask her, is it your presence? And then she just said it.
I can read your mind, darling. See?
Yes.
So guys, today we are beyond excited to finally unveil the Emily in Paris Pulmonas collection.
Whoa!
Unboxing हो गया ये.
Very nice.
This is a sexy unboxing, guys. I didn't expect it, but so
Wow.
please,
Thank you. Oh, this is
And
a heart.
for you.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
This is
I
so
love Emily in
cute.
Paris.
Please show me. Tell me how it is. Tell me how you like it.
This is so cute. I'm not wearing anything, so maybe I could just wear it right now.
Oh wow.
This is so cute.
Oh
By
wow.
the way, to the fans, this is extremely chic. This is playful, and
is
it is
cute.
literally designed so you shine.
You know what? I'm gonna like gift it to my mom.
You should.
Yeah.
And guys, go shop
We need
at
help.
pulmonas.com.
There we go.
Oh, you wore it. That's pretty.
I think this was
Nice.
missing from my neck.
Yes,
so.
it actually looks good
It
on
looks
your neck.
good, I swear, yeah.
It really does look good.
Thank
It's matching with your
you.
earring as well.
Yep. This is good.
And
This is-
Sandy, it's really
That's
looking
so
good in
cute.
your
Thank you
hands.
so much. Thank you so much. It's looking so nice on you.
Thank
So are you
you.
happy with the gifts?
Yes, yes.
Love it.
We are not supposed to say any other gossip, right?
You can if you want to. Let me, before I sum my episode, before I say goodbye to my lovely audience, I really do hope that you all had a great time on my show
Yes,
and
we
you
had.
enjoyed yourselves.
We had an amazing time.
Yeah, so I was really, really nervous तो नहीं बोल सकती, but I was more excited.
I was
Yeah?
nervous
Yeah.
for the fact that I might not overspill anything.
Yeah.
But then eventually I thought this is who I am. I mean, I own up to my things. Tomorrow if somebody asks me also, I can say yes. And I feel a little lighter also.
Yes, of course, because you've
अच्छा लग
let
रहा है.
everything out, everything that was important.
Yeah, exactly. Our side of the story never went
And I
out.
guess there was nothing that triggered me or anything. Except
course
for
not.
the fact that I was blind in love. But yes, I just genuinely enjoyed having this. And I'm just sad that it's getting over.
You know, honestly, see, this is the motive of this show. This is the whole purpose, to make sure that the guests are comfortable, to make sure that they're accountable, to make sure that, you know, you just put a mirror in front. Ki, this is who you are. You accept and you laugh about it and you move on.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's life.
And thank you for being such sports about it. Thank you for not taking anything personally or anything like that.
Yeah.
And you guys were great sports, and I had
you.
a great time shooting, and I really hope you had a great time too. And thank you for coming to my show.
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank
Bye,
you. Thank
guys.
you.
And guys, it's finally time. Time for my BYOG Spotlight. And इस हफ्ते का Spotlight shines bright on none other than, drum rolls please, Gagan Bhatia. Because we've seen all his reaction videos, and let me tell you, they are a laughter fest. And if you want your name to be featured on our Spotlight, just make sure you impress us with your creativity. And do not forget BYOG, huh? Make good videos for me as well. Oh my God. Gossip, check. Laughter, check. Friendship, also check. Girls, you passed my BYOG test. Anyways, guys, on that note, I'm going to go pass out, but not before reminding you कि गॉसिप की ट्रेन भले मैं शुरू करती हूँ, उसको उसके अंजाम यानी कि डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुँचाना आपका काम है. So do what you do best, gossip, and make it viral. And I will see you on the next episode of MTV BYOG Season 2 Splitsvilla edition with fresh guests and hotter takes. Until then, this is Kashish Kapoor signing off.
उसका फिर एक और लड़के के साथ सीन था. Yes.
You're being very over smart right now, and I do not like over smart people.
तुम्हारा एटीट्यूड क्या मुझे पता नहीं, तुमको दूसरे शो से मैंने देखा नहीं है. कितने बदतमीज हो तुम.
You said your ex is your best friend. My ex had the same problem.
क्या हम एक आइडल मैच है.
Sorry.
यार पैकअप होके 2 घंटे हो गए. चले.
Oh no, I didn't even realize there's so much to catch up on and I can't keep up. Split Pugloos, if I'm stuck like this, you will be too. So go watch MTV Splitsvilla Extra Dose exclusively on Geo Hotstar. So scroll more and watch more. Excuse me, I have to get back to this.